In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make yourself unavailable in Calendly 5 minutes. If you need to block off time so no one can book with you, here's exactly how to do it quickly and confidently. Start by opening calendly.com in your browser and log in. Enter your email, continue, then your password, and continue again. Once you land on your Calendly home screen, you'll see your event types. From here, we'll adjust your availability so invitees can't pick times you don't want to offer. Head to the Availability section. This is where your default schedules live. If you want to remove standard hours you previously set, simply click the small X next to a time range to delete it. That instantly makes you unavailable during that window. This is great when you're changing your broad weekly availability. For one-off days, use date-specific hours. Open the date-specific hours area, then click the plus hours icon. Choose the date or range of dates when you won't be taking meetings, and set it so no hours are available. When you're ready, click Apply. You'll see your blocked dates reflected immediately, confirming that invitees won't be able to book those times. Date-specific hours are perfect for holidays, travel, or any exception to your normal schedule. If you prefer to manage availability on a single event instead of your entire account, go back to your event types and open the event you want to control. Inside that event, go to Availability. Click the pencil icon to edit, then remove any time ranges by clicking the X. If you're prompted to apply to two event types, that means those events share the same schedule. Choosing this will update them together. When your changes look right, click. Save changes to lock them in. A couple of quick tips to keep you on track. After applying changes, glance over your schedule to verify that the dates you meant to block appear as unavailable. If something looks off, you can always add a time range back or remove a date-specific override. Also, be mindful of your time zone settings so your availability reflects the right local time for you and your invitees. And that's it. By updating your availability using date-specific hours or adjusting a particular event, you've made yourself unavailable exactly where and when you need to be. This helps prevent surprise bookings and keeps your calendar under your control.